hop it?
What did you just recycle?
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
Yeah. That's what I would do.
I swear, I thought you were cleaning. I was gonna grab your foot. I was serious. I thought that was clean. I was like about ready. Like I had my foot, my hand right here, and then you like.
It's a recording.
So I was like,
Yeah. You're gonna have to cut that part out.
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah. It's,
Doing it.
So
Stop
why
it. Restart it.
Janica, you're on. Go.
Joke.
Told you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Why did the toolbox go to AA?
to AA.
Cause he was hammered.
but
Okay, distance between 2 points. It is like 1-1 would be right here,
Yes.
and 9-7 would be right here.
What do you do if it's falling?
How do you find the distance?
Bush did 9/11.
Just Pythagorean theorem. How far is it between 1 and 9?
8 spaces.
Hey, guess what? That's this.
That's X. Whoa.
That's x minus x. You just did it in your head.
What do you mean? So like the 1 point minus the other point?
You're just finding the distance between these two this way. What's the distance from here to here? 6.
Yeah.
8 squared plus 6
Hey,
squared.
that's the other one we just did in our head.
Now do the Pythagorean theorem. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared.
4 equals,
100
so it's 10.
equals c squared. Square root both sides.
10.
It's 10. Look at, you do the square root of those things that you just subtracted squared. So it's
literally the same thing.
plus. It is the same. The distance formula is the Pythagorean theorem, just solved for c.
Please tell me this is
Why did they make it that way?
Please tell me that this is the test right here.
Huh?
Why did they like explain it that way?
To torture young children.
Oh, makes sense.
That's all I can come up with.
That's understandable.
When's our final day?
I just like to draw a little sketch and then do Pythagorean theorem, and then I don't have to memorize that. If you've already got it memorized,
You should ask me.
They taught us songs, okay? It works.
Wait, what's this song for this?
Until you forget half the words to the song
I
in the
feel
first
like I
minute of
have
the
the
test.
formula engraved in my mind. I don't remember what the song
We'll
was.
sing it.
Wait, what's the song?
Yeah, I want to hear it.
Do you really have to ask me?
What? I want to hear it.
You
This
have
way.
eyeballs.
I want to hear it.
say it.
Sing it.
X1 squared plus y2 minus y.
That doesn't sound like a song at
It
all.
doesn't sound like a song.
There's the next one.
Isn't it usually going to be the midpoint of those two, of the x's?
It's just 5. So then it's 5.
Don't you just do the same
Do the
points,
same
but
thing you did, except
have it
it's
so they're
divide
half?
by 2.
the distance,
No,
the distance
that
between the
half
points?
of the distance would be 5, but I want the coordinates
Yeah.
of that point.
You just do
I don't
half of-
care that that's 5 long and that's 5 long.
Half of 6 and half of 8.
Cool. I want the coordinates, the x and y coordinates for that point.
Half of
So
6
do you
and half
just
of 8.
find, is that the middle point though?
It's the same thing.
Y1 minus y2 equals that.
So you square it?
I think it's 5.
Anyone have a question or a thought?
Yeah.
Clayton, yes, thank you for raising your hand. Not talking at the same time as every other person in the room. What?
Isn't it still just Pythagorean theorem?
No. Yeah. Go, Henry.
Do you do half of the 6 that it was and half of the 8 that it was, and that's you do Pythagorean theorem with those?
Basically, all you gotta do, find the middle of the x's. Won't that give you
Yeah,
a
so
minute? And find the middle of the y's.
Wait,
How do you find the middle of two numbers?
Divide them by
divide by
2?
2.
Oh, wait, do you take their difference and divide it by 2?
Add them up, divide by 2. It's like average.
Oh.
So this one would be 1 plus 9 divided by 2 for the x, and 1 plus 7 divided by 2 for the y. So 5,
4.
4. 5, 4 would be the coordinates.
Crap, I should probably draw this.
If you draw it, it makes sense. You're like, oh, what's in the middle of 1 and 9? You can sit there and count if you wanted, or just add them up, divide by 2.
Okay.
Or you can know that just 4 from 1 is 5 and 4 from 9
You're going to get negatives and fractions, though.
You're a fraction.
What? No, I meant like actually write down what's happening.
Yeah, the sticky part. That's a fresh.
So if you get negatives and fractions, you better know that you find the middle of the two x coordinates by adding them up and dividing by 2. That way, if one's a negative fraction and one's a positive fraction, you're not like trying to figure out where the middle is just by guessing. Distance, Pythagorean theorem. Midpoint, add the x's divided by 2, add the y's divided by 2.
Okay. Okay. Roger.
That's it. Now circles.
That's our test. Circles.
Circles.
Circles. Make the world go round. And make these.
That's what? Well, technically, the Earth is really a circle.
It's a sphere.
Earth is not a sphere. Is it ready to do it? Huh?
Like circles, like graphs?
Riley,
Yes.
what's the equation for a circle?
Pi r.
X plus h squared plus
Y
plus
plus
A.
Okay.
yeah. Thanks, Riley.
Thanks, Riley.
Oh, he asked Riley.
Equals.
He said, Riley, what's the equation?
Equals.
R
R
squared.
squared. This is wrong.
That's wrong.
Yeah.
Equals
Wait, are you asking for the circumference?
No, I was asking for the equation of a circle.
Oh.
I would know.
That's wrong.
I've never.
It's very close.
X minus.
Is it the
It's
minus?
not- It's not the R squared, right? It's right there, bro. It's like right there, X minus.
Isn't it on the screen?
Close.
It's right there.
It is right there, yeah.
Which one?
Okay.
Is this one?
Galen, you ever seen that before?
What is that?
That's the equation of a circle.
That's
X and
gross.
Y or X and Y. H and K are
I'm so confused.
Actually, the center.
the center of the circle.
H and K, like the point?
Yes.
Yeah. R is the radius.
Are we gonna wrap circles and stuff?
Who cares?
Yes.
No, not yet. Shut
Oh
up,
my
dude.
goodness,
Let's scrappy, let's see.
Oh wait, this looks familiar. This looks familiar.
Yeah, but I just forgot what it was. Yeah, how about that?
Yeah.
How about that?
Hey, give me the pop tab. If you guys have pop tabs, save them for me.
Oh yeah.
Johnny,
fundraising.
What do you need?
How do you know this?
You can still.
I went to your house and did slave bravery, and you were telling me.
Shave waiver?
Slave labor.
Oh, look at it. It's dude, get it on camera. On camera. Get in front of the video. You should have just done it right there. You're gonna get so much.
If you drink a pop, save these.
I have. Wait.
That's how
Why no?
They have a contest that you know, so you can save the most. And then what they do is they donate it to the wrong.
There's just one big one.
I don't think I could do it in one.
What is
I think it's like
Are you going to McDonald's house?
Yes.
Why not know what I went to leave?
You take them and recycle them for money.
Hey, how much you need?
I can still do that.
They just get
So are mine.
I think I got like 2 gallons. Are you topping up your head for Alex?
No, it's already.
Dude, I'm almost out of paper.
How many of them?
You see the mark. You see the ring?
Thank you.
Hey, when you're done with that, give me a plate.
With the tab on it, it's still like that playing.
This is an example.
Okay. So if the center of the circle is 4, -3, and the radius is 2, write the equation of that circle. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was like a burp in my phone.
Yeah, that was like-
Duck right here was.
That's the
Yeah,
boss.
kind of weird.
Is 4 negative
So
3.
the equation, right?
Which one of
Yeah,
each? Which one of H?
Write it on your paper. Don't care to hear it verbally.
Which one of H and K is the X and the Y? Of the
Just
center.
how it's written.
So X and Y. Okay.
The X goes with the X, the Y goes with the Y.
Question. I got a question. But can I ask you, instead of just like blurring it out?
Yeah.
Alright, so if I have, so you know how it's -3, right?
Yes.
So then it's a minus -3.
Yes.
So I have to write double.
Plus 3.
Oh, it's plus.
Double negative.
You're about to mess me up right there, dude.
Just write the equation.
You can't just.
Just one of the equation. So all you do, X and Y stay in it. So it's just X minus
4
squared
squared
plus
Y
plus 3 squared equals 4. That's it.
What did you write 2 squared?
It's the same thing as 1.
Now what do we do?
2 squared is the same thing as 4. That's fine.
Now graph it.
Sure, you want to grab it?
Yeah, it's pretty simple, isn't it?
Pretty simple. You just go to 4,
And
negative 3.
And then that's.
then the radius is 2, so just go 2 up above from each.
The radius is
around
2,
each
so just
side.
go, I just go 2 in every direction, up, down, left, and right.
And then just make a circle.
Hand draw.
That's literally, that's all?
Yeah.
2 over here, 1, 2 over here, up 2, down 2.
Wait.
It's
Wait
pretty
a sec, wait a
simple.
sec. Could you do that again? Because I just.
Put the center on the graph,
Okay.
What's the center?
The center.
Right there.
or
Oh.
negative 3, or up here.
I see what you're saying now. So the radius is 2, so 2 in every direction.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
not in a graphic calculator.
Somebody say Dom?
Yes, you can actually, I lied. But you have to manipulate it. The y equals. So if you wanted to graph it in a graphic calculator, you would have to solve for y.
Yeah.
Can you do it? But if you give us the center and the radius, we don't have to even do the equation. Do we?
To graph it? No.
Yeah. Then
They
why?
just, I don't know.
Mr. Hopkins.
I wasn't going to ask to graph it, they just wanted it. So.
Okay.
Yeah, I give the people what they want. If you wanted to do it in a graphic calculator, you would subtract that from both sides. So you'd have y plus 3 squared equals negative x minus 4 squared plus 4. You remember?
Get the square root of both sides.
Square root both sides, so you'd have y plus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of negative x minus 4 squared plus 4.
Then you minus
And then
3.
subtract 3. So in the graphic calculator, you have to do 2 different equations. You have to do y equals positive square root of all of that minus 3 and negative square root of all of that minus 3.
Jeez.
And
That's a
then
lot
it'll
more
do-
work.
It'll go, and it'll look stupid on our graphic calculators. It'll go, and it'll look like a football. Because they don't, it's all pixelated, and they don't do
So we
circles.
don't have to do that way, we can do.
You're not, I'm not going to ask you to do that, I'm just showing you.
Where is up with the one
So how far up?
The settings are
Yeah,
changed
just have
so
to
that
plug
my
in the
class
center and
couldn't
the
graph.
radius.
Dude, this is so cool. I'm just getting the class like on the screen.
Yeah, they could use a calculator, but couldn't put the formula in there.
Okay, here, try another one. Write the equation.
Another one?
0 negative 1.
Isaiah, can you please talk in your head? It's not that hard.
It's not that hard.
It's like the pot calling the kettle black.
What'd you say, Mr. Hopkins?
I don't know if you weren't contemplating.
You realize when he said that, I said nothing, right?
That's a soul. Excellent shot, excellent.
2 peanuts for water.
Done!
Or is it salt?
Wait, we're just writing the equation,
Just
right?
writing the equation. That's it.
Oh, yeah, I've been.
It's like a
Crazy baller.
30-second
Oh, I thought we
process.
were doing the circle.
You're writing the equation. You can graph it if you want.
already graphed it.
It's not.
Where'd you go?
Equation. X squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 9.
Yeah, I did it right.
What? How'd you get x squared? Oh,
X plus 0.
What's x plus 0?
I got it.
Am I off the screen? Okay, here's another one.
But if I leave the 0 in there, is that still wrong?
No.
I've been kind of moving it a little bit the whole
It just
time.
threw me when I saw it without it.
How do you graph a 3-dimensional?
And then 6 years.
What are you talking about, Floyd?
Wait. Until he works.
Pass is through. Oh, jeez.
Oh, the tables have turned.
Oh, God.
Can we just graph it and then write it from that? Yeah.
Is that a point on the circle?
What about the
That is a point on the circle. That is
Oh.
the center of the circle.
So we just do Pythagorean theorem to get the distance between the two.
Oh, so you have to use the distance from here to here to get the radius.
I got you.
Oh.
Wow. You're so smart, Galen.
You guys are sarcastic assholes.
You realize we're recording.
Straight up.
Oh. Censor that.
Censor that.
I don't think you can.
The magic of video editing.
Who cares?
The only one's gonna watch it is JR from 80s.
I might just watch it just to hear what you said.
Theorem, theorem.
Was he watching?
Yeah, you watch it. Try to learn.
JR was the first subscriber.
Can't really take it no more.
Yeah, genius.
Yeah, genius.
I'm done.
Got that far.
I just draw a little sketch.
I draw beautiful circles.
Passes through that.
What?
No, they kind of look
What?
like a flat kickball.
What the actual
It's a
heck?
kickball being kicked.
Wait. I'm still
That's not the
working.
center of the
Don't do it
circle.
yet.
It's a low center.
You see, that's the section of the graph he's expanding, so you can see.
Analyze.
That's not the circle that he's drawing.
That was the circle, actually.
Oh, okay.
That was
Just draw the two lines going
Oh,
like
wait,
one
I
up
just
and then
need-
one up.
I just do it a visual. I'm like, oh, I need the distance from here to here. So then I'm drawing the triangle, and I'm like, well, there's my points. So this side of the triangle is from
4.
3 to -1, which is 4.
And
This side of the triangle is 3. So if I do,
Yeah, it is.
if I do Pythagorean theorem,
3, 4, 5.
5.
You don't really need.
Oh my god, I did it wrong.
Whoa! You just memorized that to 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3, 4, 5.
That's what I
Wait,
did.
how'd you get?
That's what I did. You just have the things you should square is 9 plus 4 squared is
Right triangle.
Hey, you be quiet.
So that's 5. You gotta share 5.
No, you shut up.
Oh, you shut up.
shh.
Never ends.
And then I square rooted it.
Okay, 2 more.
Do you care if you're in the video or do you just want the content on it? Because I'm kind
I'm
of.
fine. I can do
Okay.
the video. Like,
Well, I mean, I'm kind of moving it. So.
Get all my latest updates.
Yeah, I've already heard a YouTuber say that you're gonna get copywritten.
Huh?
I've already heard a YouTuber use that line, so you're gonna have to change that up.
Everyone uses it.
What is that?
Hey, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway. Like, subscribe, comment, let's get this video to 1 million likes.
What?
And points of the
This is not the same.
Is this still circles?
So look at it and think for a second. Yeah, find the equation of the circle whose diameter has endpoints of -4, -1, and 4, 1.
That's a D?
Yes, that is endpoints.
X.
Yeah.
Oh, that's endpoints. It might help to draw yourself a little sketch. Maybe not.
-4, -1. Oh, it's
4,
diagonal.
-1, 4, 1.
Okay, I see
So
what
that
you're
means
doing.
the diameter is like right there.
I see what you're
Is
playing right
zero?
now.
Is the origin 0, 0?
No.
The origin is always 0, 0.
What is the middle of
Is
the
that
circle?
the center of the circle? I don't know. Can you find that out?
Yeah.
How would you find the center of the circle?
Shh.
Let's see.
Grace, how would you find the center of the circle?
Put your finger in the middle.
What?
She's good. Yes?
What in tarnation?
Did you count? No.
Minus X and Y and.
If you know this,
The radius is half the diameter.
midpoint
Oh my
maybe?
god.
If I do the midpoint of that line,
That's your center point.
that's your center. Maybe 0,
Okay.
0. I don't know.
I think it's 0.5.
4 plus 4, -4 plus 4, 68.
So,
Chuck, how do you find midpoint?
You just did, Jelly. Come on.
Find the middle of the x's, find the middle of the y's. I think it is 0, 0.
It is. That's why I said count 1, 2, 3, 4.
-4 plus 4 divided by 2. Yeah, that's 0.
Yes.
-1 plus 1 divided by 2. Yeah, that's 0. Hey, that won't be that easy on your test.
No, it should.
Why not?
Wait,
I found the
So the
And
mid,
the
the
radius is
center
4.
is 0, 0.
So what's the diameter?
And, oh, we need the radius, so now we have to do the
4.
distance also.
oh my god.
Square root of 17.
The square root of 17
What?
is correct.
Wait, whoa.
What did you say?
We found the center of the circle by doing the midpoint of the diameter, but we also need to know the radius.
Yeah, well, radius is half of the diameter.
Radius is half the diameter,
So
but we don't know how long the diameter is.
Find the distance between
Can you
negative.
just
It's
find
4.123.
It's up to you. You can find the distance between here and here and divide by 2, or now that you know the center, just find the distance from here to here.
It's 4 squared plus 1 squared, so it's 17. The square root of 17.
That's 4, 1, so that's 4 up 1.
So it's
Square
1
plus
plus
1
16.
squared equals
17.
Square 17.
No.
square root of 17.
No, it's not. That's the diameter.
Don't change it to a decimal, because when you go to write your equation of your circle, what are you going to do?
17.
17. So your equation of your this circle then is just x squared plus y squared equals 17. Because you got to square the radius. The radius was the square root of 17.
Yeah, I saw the radius right off the bat. I just
So you can't,
diameter
you don't
radius.
do 0, 0 for the,
I did do 0, 0.
for the H.
I did do 0, 0 for the
Okay,
HK.
when you plug in points on the circle, like,
Okay.
Alright, when you did the midpoint, what is the second equation? It looks like a K.
That's negative 1 plus 1.
Okay.
Just take the y's, add them up, divide by 2, take the x's.
Yeah,
add
that's
them
what I
up.
was thinking. I was like, I don't know what that number is. It looks like a K.
That's it.
Thanks.
Got it?
We have that up there.
quiz tomorrow.
Friday.
Oh, no.
One more.
Tomorrow's Thursday, get your times right.
Wait, how did you erase this spot? You already erased it. So x squared plus y squared equals 17.
That was the answer.
That's because there was zeros.
Because the center was 0, 0.
But 17 you didn't
What's the percentage?
Square. The radius was the square root of 17. I square that to get the point part of the
So you
equation.
left 17.
So the square root of 17 squared is like 17.
You feel me? Mr. Krabs?
Last one.
Right in standard form.
That's
Stop.
Not in standard form?
that is standard form of a circle, I think.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I'm confused. Are we supposed to write it like that, or are we supposed to write it like?
Oh no, it's not. I don't know what standard form is of a circle. Good. I hope I didn't write that as your directions.
Do you want me to look that up on the internet for you?
It's just words. Who cares?
Yeah.
Here, I'll just go like this, and then it doesn't matter. Find the center and radius.
It just happens at first.
If I just word it that way, who cares? And then here we go.
Oh my god, yes.
Can you just group them?
62nd plus
No, because then there's a minus 15. I
plus
know you're dead.
y second plus
Okay.
That might be standard form. I don't know.
Wait.
That's a tough one.
zero.
I've never
The
heard of
standard form is supposed to be y2 minus y1 equals the thingamajigger and then if you x2 minus y2.
Depends if you're talking about a line.
I don't know what I'm talking about. That's just what I.
Alright, how would we solve this?
Can you just group it? And then,
Group it. So here's what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna take that 15, I'm gonna push it to the other side.
That's a good start.
Oh, shit.
That-
Oh,
that-
I know.
basically, you do completing the square twice.
Nah, you can't pull that on us.
Remember completing the square?
no. Yeah.
Parentheses, half the square, add and subtract it.
Please don't tell me you have to do that.
Twice in one problem.
Wait, I'm not.
So my grade's actually decent right now. Please don't change that.
Do you do it with the X's and then you do it with the Y's?
What do you mean? You're doing
This
it.
15 isn't helping.
So now get
Plus 15. Plus 15.
Group the x's and the y's.
So it's x squared plus 2x plus y.
pull out an X from the X's.
Okay, No,
X from your X.
that's not completing the square. Completing the square. Completing the square is where you factor out the leading coefficient only if there is one.
So we're good now.
So on this, both of these, we're good. We're going to do these at the same time. We're going to do it twice at the same time, like just right next to each other.
Okay.
Then, after you've done that, you would do half of the x term, square it, add it, subtract. So for this one, half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1.
Hey. Plus 1 mess.
For this one,
Half of 6 is 3.
half of 6 is 3, 3 squared is 9.
And then you take the negatives out.
Then you take the negatives out, right?
And if there was something in front of the coefficients, you would multiply them by that. If not,
If there was a number out there, you multiply it. If there's not, so we just have x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus y 6y plus 9 minus 9 equals 15.
so then would
We take out the 9.
question?
And the 9
Do you add a negative 9 or 1?
Yes. Just take the 1 and the negative 9. Negative, add 1, add 9 over here.
This is 25.
So it's 25.
Wait, what?
You're just combining like terms in.
If you combine those, you get
And then-
negative
and
10,
then- and then
add it
move it
over
to-
to the other
okay.
side, and then factor each one of those.
Y
That's
plus
x, that's
3
1 and 2.
That's
and
x plus 1 squared,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And that's y plus 3 squared. Now it's...
Hey!
That's cool.
And so the radius is 5.
So the center is...
Negative 1, negative 3.
Negative 1, negative 3.
And the radius is
The radius...
Positive 3. No, wait.
5.
Okay, so that's not so bad.
Okay.
Square root
No.
that to get the radius.
Your y, it should be y minus 3 squared.
Just
Right.
agree.
No, I don't think.
Positive, it's positive, it's positive, it's positive.
No, it
Because
would.
y plus 3 times y plus 3,
Then it would be-
3y plus 3y, 6y. Yes?
Minus 6y.
Okay, shh. We got a question. You might learn something from it.
Never mind, I get it now.
I don't.
It's just because I was in.
What's wrong, Galen?
I don't know. I just never like completing the square. It feels wrong to change the whole structure of the equation.
But it feels so right when you get the answer.
That's a good one.
body.
I don't know.
You need to stop that right now.
You need to stop.
It's time to stop.
Need another one or are you good?
We're
Wait. I need one more.
Another one.
One more?
I need another piece of paper.
Dude, I'm trying to actually learn. Thank you.
One mic plane over there, just one with tape.
Dude, ask him if I can have graphics before you should get me off. Nobody just.
Oh, sorry. I just wanted to.
Let's go confuse us.
Okay.
No.
Come on.
One just said he's gonna do something.
Let's confuse him with homework.
Shoot your eye out, kid.
It wasn't.
I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna randomly call them. You should do the next step.
I'm scared.
Juliana, what would you do first?
Subtract 3, right?
There's lots of different things you can do first. Subtract 3 works. So now we got x squared. Can anyone... Let's do 2 steps at once. Let's get crazy here.
Wait.
There's a reason I don't want to write that out right now.
When you're completing the square,
Y.
Yeah, put them in... Put the x's with the x's and the y's with the
That's
y's.
what I did.
So go
I just
x
did that one.
squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 2y equals negative 3. Okay. I don't think you need me anymore.
No, I don't think I did.
Yeah, you're good.
Where's that?
Wait, so do you have a worksheet for us?
Yes.
Oh, no homework, you guys.
Thanks a lot, yeah.
Freaking dirty Dan.
I don't think he's He'll come get it if he wants to do it.